Boyd Wells, I work for an American car company in the health and safety department. The LOBO equipment has allowed us to move this equipment into so many different areas and configure it into so many various ways that it has been exceptional to where working from a ladder or a piece of scaffolding just wouldn't have worked.
My name is Thacker. I'm CEO of local business Berkeley Inns Limited. The three key benefits of LOBO for me are cost effectiveness, ease of assembly, and ultimately safety. Alternative systems that we looked at for these tasks were broadly double the price of the LOBO system.
The LOBO system has been very easy for our people to learn how to use once they receive the training, either in-house or at the LOBO facility. The trainers here have done a great job at demonstrating the equipment to make it easy for those people to pick up on how to assemble this equipment.
We were looking for a system that would give us greater flexibility, greater control over safety in a cost-effective manner. The current system we have now, I think, does that, and the contractors are far happier with the solution. People are much more confident at work.
The LOBO team has been fantastic. I couldn't have been asked to be more welcomed here. Their facility and their team has just been amazing to be here and work with.